I was teaching a sixth grade a couple years ago, a lesson in how to do nothing. And every single one of them failed. They can do nothing like not do their work or not show up on time. I mean, they're good at that. But I meant being able to sit in the moment for a whole minute and do nothing. What I did is I had them sit for 30 seconds. We started that and got them in a place where they could do nothing. Kind of a mindful practice, but mindfulness right now is actually also being called brain health. So it kind of demystifies it and makes it less scary. So I kind of refer to it now as brain health. So in order for you to have a healthy brain, you have to slow down and you have to clear your thought process every once in a while throughout the day. So I started with 30 seconds. I asked the kids 30 seconds later, I said, what'd y'all think about? And they all had an answer for me. And I said, guys, you failed. You were supposed to think about nothing. And they said, oh, miss, that's impossible. You can't think about nothing. And I was like, we're going to get there. What we found throughout that year is as the kids got better and better at just checking out for 30 seconds to a minute and clearing their brains, they actually became much more efficient at the stuff we kept throwing at them. All right, so that's really, really important. That to be self-aware. How am I responding to this? What am I thinking about? Are my feet where they should be? Be where your feet are, I guess is the saying that I hear. Be where your feet are. Very few humans are actually on a regular day where their feet are. They're usually in a million different places. And our kids are the same.